TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi, everyone. On this Wednesday, May the 19th, this is the Tiger Financial News Network 10 a.m. update. The Dow's down 387 at 33,672. Let me just do this. I'll be doing this more in my show coming up after this update, the Tiger Technicians Hour. And let me show this. Patterns that I always look for is this lowercase h pattern that fails at either a peak A or a B minus with a minor rally and starts coming back down. If it takes out this left side low, we call it the dreaded H. Why? Because it looks like a lowercase h. If it takes out that left side low, it can go quite a bit lower. The 50-period moving average is at 33,000, about 450. So this pattern, keep this in mind. We're going to see this a lot. You'll see it even here in the 120-minute chart. Not only that, it's a leg F in the weekly chart. If on Friday it closes way below the 35,091 all-time high, there's a chance we're making something more than just a minor top. And then I'll also talk about, in my show coming up, I'll talk about this thing called the Chapman Wave Dow. This is the dark news cloud cover chart. And we're looking at this is right here. We haven't seen too much yet. What it says is that there's some kind of news event that the market starts to take seriously, especially if there are two or more. You've got to be really careful because the market is now a believer. All right, let's look at the S&P, same pattern. We are short the S&P for subscribers to my opening call. And what are we looking at? We're looking at the S&P right now, down. Why do I keep hitting the wrong key? Don't have time for this. Let's get going. The S&P right now is at 4,074, down 53. Let me just get this out the way here. So what we are looking at in terms of the chart formations, all of them are coming down sharply. The QQQ NDX 100 has been in a sell mode already in the daily. The weekly chart is in a sell signal, might even go to a sell mode this week. The week is young. We're only halfway through the week. Let's see what happens. IWM, the Russell 2000, very sharp pullback, down 460 at 215. Now, I need to talk about this. I've been talking about for weeks and weeks. I've been saying Bitcoin is done and that there should be a sharp sell-off and that speculators will probably go from Bitcoin to gold. And what are they doing right now? Gold is up $22 at $18.90. There's a lot to talk about, the failure of the dollar, what are bonds doing. I'll be back with my show, the Tiger Technicians Hour. Check out my opening call, my daily newsletter. I think you might be surprised at